Tech enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring something truly awesome in the world of technology, the DXZ A3 DTF printer with shaker oven and air purifier. This incredible piece of equipment is not just a printer, but a game changer for anyone looking to take their DTF printing to the next level. From its high-speed printing capabilities to its advanced ink circulation system, this printer is packed with features that will make your printing experience faster, easier, and more efficient. One of the most exciting features of the DXZ A3 DTF printer is the 2-year ink supply that comes with your purchase. Yes, you heard that right. With your printer, you'll receive a 2-year supply of ink, including 5 bottles of 250 milliliters each and 500 g of powder. This means you can print to your heart's content without worrying about running out of ink anytime soon. And the best part? You can get a new set of ink every 2 months, with just the cost of shipping to cover. This is a huge cost saver and a major advantage for businesses or individuals who print frequently. The DXZ A3 DTF printer also features an automated powder shaker and dryer, which is a total game changer for DTF printing. This system ensures that the powder is applied evenly and consistently, resulting in vibrant and long-lasting prints. The automated system also saves you time and labor, as you don't have to manually apply the powder or worry about inconsistent prints. This feature is perfect for both beginners and seasoned professionals, as it guarantees high-quality prints with minimal setup and effort. With the DXZ A3 DTF printer, you can enjoy faster turnaround times, higher output, and increased profits, all while delivering crystal-clear details and long-lasting colors to your clients. Another key feature of the DXZ A3 DTF printer is its high-speed and high-precision printing capabilities. The printer features the advanced XP600 Printhead, which offers a print speed of 500 mm superscript 2/s, twice as fast as the L1800 and L805. With a resolution of 2800 by 1400 dpi, this printer delivers vibrant colors, sharp details, and exceptional saturation, ensuring professional quality results every time. Whether you're printing t-shirts, hoodies, or other apparel, the DXZ A3 DTF printer is capable of producing high-quality prints that will impress your clients and set you apart from the competition. The DXZ A3 DTF printer also features an effective white ink circulation system, which combines stirring and circulation to prevent white ink settling. This advanced design boosts ink efficiency, reduces clogging, and extends the printer's lifespan, providing reliable and high-quality results with every print. This feature is especially important for businesses that rely on high-volume printing, as it ensures that the printer can handle large orders without breaking down or producing subpar prints. In addition to its impressive features, the DXZ A3 DTF printer is also built to last, with a heavy-duty Hansen motherboard and industrial-grade XP600 Printhead. This means that the printer can support extended 24-hour continuous operation, making it ideal for high-demand production environments. Whether you're printing for a small business or a large corporation, the DXZ A3 DTF printer is capable of handling your printing needs with ease and efficiency. In conclusion, the DXZ A3 DTF printer with shaker oven and air purifier is an incredible piece of technology that is sure to take your DTF printing to the next level. With its 2-year ink supply, automated powder shaker and dryer, high-speed and high-precision printing capabilities, effective white ink circulation system, and 24/7 reliable performance, this printer is the perfect solution for businesses and individuals who want to produce high-quality prints with ease and efficiency. So if you're looking to upgrade your printing game, be sure to check out the DXZ A3 DTF printer. Find the link in the description below to learn more and get your hands on this amazing printer. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to take your printing to new heights. Order your DXZ A3 DTF printer today and start producing high-quality prints that will impress your clients and set you apart from the competition. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.